I will talk about how can you use Fitch. So all you have to do in the first, so can you just go to looking for your Fitch, you just click on it like this. So when you click on your Fitch, it's going to open with you like this. Here can you sign up with your Facebook, or here can you sign up with your Facebook or with your Google here. I'm going to sign up with my Google. So you just click on it, then you select your email. So when you add here your email, it's going to show for you like this. You just switch in here to open with you. So it's going to show for you like this here in the first. So we talk about how can you use it. You just click on this photo here in down. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here in your profile. Just click on this sign here. So then it's going to take you to this list in your profile here. Can you update here your account? Here can you change your first name and your last name here. Then here your email. Here if you want to add your birthday, your gender and your zip code here. Can you add it? Your city or state. Then can you just save here, change it. Then it's going to save with you. Then here can you change your photo profile and here can you update your phone number. So then we will go back here, just click on this sign here again. Then it's going to show for you like this. Here can you find your branch activity. Your branch activity here can you find it. Here can you just search in here. Then here you just click here on while using the app. And here can you search in this list here on your Fitch app. So then we will go back here again. Here can you manage your notifications, just click on it. You will find here all notifications you have in this list. So then here can you enter referral code if you have it. Can you just add it in this list here. Click on enter code that it's going to add with you here. So then here can you add your refer a friends, or can you invite your friends here to Erin. And here can you find your referrals in this list. You just click on invite friends. So then here can you find your receipts in this list. Can you add it here, add connections in this list here. So in another list here can you add code Rex coupons in this list. You will find it here. I have no saved coupons yet, but if you have it, it's going to show for you here in this list. So then you go down here, click here on settings. Then here can you manage sounds effects in vibration here. Here can you select your language selection and push notifications here. Then here open source lessons, and here can you log out in this list here. So then when you just click on this sign here, then here you will find place. Can you play here in this list? Can you find games? So in here feed. Then here leaderboard in this list here. Then here can you find your friends in this list. So then when you just click on this sign, can you make up pictures here. Just click on videos in the app, then it's going to take you to open your camera here in this list. And here can you find marketplace or shop online here. Can you shop in this list? I'm going to show for you how can you shop. I'm going to select any of this. You just click here on shop. Then it's going to take you to this list here. Click here on get shopping. But after that you have to get here points. If you have points, just click here on go to shopping here. Then it's going to open with you here with your Google. You just switch in here to open with you to show for you how can you shop. So then it's going to open with you here with Sam's Club. Then you click on this item, for example here, just click on it. Then it's going to show for you here. You click on it again. So then it's going to show for you like this here. and after that you have to sign up to your app here, then automatically it's going to shop with you here. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.